Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Krossart. My name is Karen. I thought it would be nice if I give a little insight to how I started painting. So first things first, I get my reference photograph, and from this I do a pencil drawing. Right, now I'm happy with the drawing, I'm happy with the proportions of the face and everything. I photocopied this drawing and I traced it onto heavy cartridge paper. Now, this is really good for white washes, and on this I am going to do a monochromatic painting. Why I like to do this kind of painting first is because when I come to do my watercolor, I will use this as my reference instead of the photograph. It stops me from going too much into detail when I do the main painting. Watching. I hope this video was useful. If you would like to see more, don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below. Have fun and enjoy. Bye for now, Karen.